I wanted to show you how this dress looks very quickly in the sunlight. This pink is everything. Hi, it's Kendra and welcome back to my channel, I Can Sew. This is the first video in a series called Is It So Easy? Where I test out sewing patterns that claim to be easy to sew. Now, I've talked about this before as a new sewer or as an advanced sewer who just doesn't want to do anything really intricate right now. They're just trying to do a really quick sew, or like I said, again, as a new sewer who's trying to get into sewing and they want to learn techniques and they don't want to, you lose interest in things when they're really hard to do. So you want something simple to do just to kind of get in the habit of sewing. I want to know if these patterns really are easy for us, and are they something that we want to do and can actually follow without complaints or having to call somebody else or researching it through YouTube. And by the way, there is no YouTube video for this dress at the moment because it's McCall's 7717, which is a part of their 2018 pre-spring collection, so there is no tutorial for it right now. I have seen a couple people, sewers on Instagram and on who have blogs who have sewn this dress. I think about 2. So that was great. But I've sewn it and I love it. I'm not a really pink girl. I probably own about 3-4 pink pieces. So to make this dress in pink and actually fall in love with it, I was really shocked. It does make me think that I should probably wear a little bit more pink, because I'm not saying it's not my color. I just don't gravitate to it in the stores. What is this? What? No, ain't this a flip? Now my mom would look at this and say, "Oh, you didn't cut all your strings off." Anyways, don't judge me. So back to this. It does say that it's easy on the back. Can you see there where it says easy? And I will say it was easy. I'm going to go over some of the pros and cons, and I'm going to keep this really, really quick because it's just a review. This dress instructions were very easy. One thing that I noticed is that in the instructions, this dress is fully lined. And you can see here, it's fully lined. And in the instructions, they actually give you full instructions on how to construct the lining. You don't usually see that. When you see a garment, it usually and especially because linings are usually the same as the outside, it will usually tell you to just go back and follow the instructions for the outer garment to complete the inside. So I really like that. I also like that this outside material here is used as the band for the inside of the lining, and that looks so store-bought. I mean, this dress, when you look at it from the inside, looks very store-bought because it has that this outer garment material, which don't ask me what it is because I don't know, on the inside band too, and that's what I always see when I buy something out of the stores. I really like that. The markings that they gave you were very clear, was easy to make. The dress is actually easy to manipulate too if you are multiple sizes. So for me, I made this dress earlier. I made like a mock dress to see what my size would be, and I usually go with like a 20, and this was like, I'm way off from a 20. So I think this top here is maybe like either a 14 or a 16, and then the bottom is an 18. So I just kind of merge them together to make sure that they fit around the waistline, and I'm very happy with the results because I do have a bigger bottom than I do a top, so that worked for me. The pros, the cons for this dress are something that some people are probably not going to find a con, but I find it to be con, and that is that there's a lot of hand stitching. I don't like hand stitching. I don't want to go between. I don't like, and I know it's necessary just to make your outfit cute and pretty and professional looking. I just got something about flipping back and forth, so anyhow, when you put in the invisible zipper, which the instructions for this, putting that in was very clear. So if you don't know how to put an invisible zipper in, this they do have very clear instructions. The illustrations in this were amazing. I mean, you could look at it and see exactly what it was talking about, what you're supposed to be doing. It was amazing. So when you put the invisible zipper in, you have to hand stitch it to the lining to hold it down and make it neater on the inside. And I just didn't like that. Actually, I've never seen that before either. But I guess I've never sewn anything with a lining, so it's always been attached directly to the bodice itself. And if anybody has any tips on how to attach the zipper to the lining and make it lay flat without hand sewing it, and so that it's not also seen throughout the on the outside of the outer garment, please leave a comment below. I would love that tip. These cuffs here, as beautiful and as amazing as my cuffs are, they had to be hand stitched. So you attach it and then you fold this in and then you stitch it, fold it to the inside. So I did do that. And then you have an eye hook on the back of the dress. I did 2 eye hooks because my invisible zipper was not completely at the top, so I didn't like that. So I put 2 eye hook and eyes in, and you have to hand stitch the hook and eyes as well. So, and I'm okay with that. I just didn't like hand stitching the zipper and hand stitching the cuffs. So outside of that, I would say this is very easy. This definitely passed the I Can Sew test of being easy. I recommend it. I think you can make it in multiple materials. I just saw on McCall's website where they have a jacket with sleeves similar to this, and they talked about puffing up the sleeves. They use a different fabric or smoothing it back out to make them less dramatic. So that just lets me know that you can make this dress in like a thicker cotton and do the same thing. Just bring it, puff it out, puff it in, or maybe even a wool if you want to go with a winter version of this dress, because it does have, they do have a different neck line than just a V-neck line. Some people don't mind wearing V-neck in the summer. I mean, wintertime either, but you can definitely rock this dress year round. You can rock this style year round. It is a simple bodice top. I think this is called princess seams. And then it has let me stand up a little bit so you can see me here. Then it has the waistband and then the bottom of the dress. So, and again, I thought it was gorgeous. My favorite part of the dress are the amazing sleeves, which is, I probably would never have bought this dress out of the store. I probably would have never bought this dress out of the store. So I love it. So check this out. So again, I want to thank you for checking out this video and being patient with me on actually getting this outfit, this dress sewn together, and getting this video up. So if you would like, subscribe, share, and definitely come back for the next video, which I think is going to feature Mr. Jameson here. I'm going to make something for him. And my nieces also have given me a special request. So I'm excited to sew something on their behalf as well. So again, thank you for checking out I Can Sew and my newest series, Is It So Easy? Jameson, we're trying to do a pause here. Jameson, we're trying to do a pause here. Work with me, sir. Pause. Ding 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 ding.